Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Umi Imani binti Muhammad Rahid Al-Wahri. I am from 4A. So today I want to talk about building defect analysis. So the first element is roof. The location of this defect in College Indra Sakti, Blok Angsana Wing A, Level 3. The element is roof. The component is soffit. The condition of this defect are 3, which is urgent. The priority is 2, routine. The metric is 6 and the color are yellow, which is fair. The defect description is missing soffit. The symptom of this defect are missing roof tiles, missing soffit, watermark and molding. The possible cause of this defect are lack of maintenance. The prognosis were rainwater can enter through the gap left by the missing tiles and drip into the soffit or eave area. It also can cause moss and rot and staining. Remedial work for this are remove any remaining debris or broken soffit pieces. If wood framing or fascia board are rotted or weak, cut out the damaged section using a saw and replace it with treated lumber. Select and prepare the soffit material. Measure the length and width of the soffit and determine how many panels are needed for the damages. Slide the panel into J channel and F channel at the wall side. Secure the outer edges into fascia or framing it with nail or screw. Seal the joint with caulk to prevent insect or moisture entry. The next defect for roof at Bangunan College Pengajian Seni Kreatif Level 3. The element is roof. The component are gutter. Condition of this defect is 3, which is urgent, and the priority also 3, urgent. Metric is 9, condition monitoring, and the color is yellow, which is fair. Defect description are corrosion and hole on the gutter. Symptom: water leak from the gutter, corrosion on gutter, and also vertical hole. Possible cause of this is lack of maintenance. Prognosis of these are holes will expand over time and rust will spreading along with the gutter length. Water leaks directly below the hole and causing it difficult for users to walk under the roof. Remedial work are remove debris from the inside of the gutter such as leaf, twig and dirt. Use hacksaw to cut the damaged section. Measure and cut new section of gutter to fit. Connect the new pieces using gutter connector. Apply sealant at all seam and overlap, then secure it with screw and rivets and seal again over hardware. Next is building component. This defect were found at Bangunan College Pengajian Seni Kreatif Level 3. The element is door. The component is doorknob. Condition of this defect is 2, which is routine. The priority is 3, which is urgent. Metric is 6 and the color is yellow, which is fair. The defect description: missing doorknob. The symptom is the door cannot open properly. The possible cause of this is wear and tear. The prognosis is difficulty of opening and closing the door, lack of safety. Remedial work: remove any broken part, measure the bore hole diameter, backset and the door thickness. Choose a high quality doorknob for longer durability. Insert the latch into the side hole on the edge of the door and align with the existing opening and secure with screw. Insert the exterior knob with spindle through the latch. Make sure it is aligned and install the interior knob and secure both sides with screws. The next defect were found at College Indra Sakti, Blok Angsana Wing A, Level 1. The element and component is apron. Condition of this defect is 2, which is routine. The priority also 2, routine. The metric is 4 and the color is green, which is good. The defect description are hole on the apron. The symptom is moss growth, puddle of water. Possible cause is heavy rain due to no gutter installed at the roof. The prognosis are water will keep collecting in the dent, which can lead to moss growth. User will trip and fall. The remedial for this defect are scrub the moss off the surface, apply concrete bonding agent to the prepared surface, mix a cement patching compound or resurface according to manufacturer direction, and then use a trowel to apply the patch material, filling low area and matching the slope of existing apron. Apply a concrete sealer to prevent future moss and growth and water damage. Next is building structure. These defects were found at College Indra Sakti, Block Angsana, Wing B, Level 1. Element is staircase. The component are nodes. The condition is 2, which is routine. Priority is 3, urgent. Matrix is 6. The color is yellow, fair. Defect description is missing nosing tiles. Symptom were exposed concrete can be seen, uneven surface, and missing nosing tiles. The possible cause of this defect are wear and tear. The prognosis of this defect will be tripping hazard. The stair will collapse, lead to the structural degradation. Next is remedial work. First, clean and trim the broken area, and then remove any tile adhesive on the broken area. Find the same size tile to fit the nose area. And lastly, install the tile carefully and make sure it aligns with the other nose. Next defect were found at Annex 1 ground floor. The element is column. The condition is 2, which is a routine. The priority also 2, routine. The metric is 4. Color is green, which is good. Defect description is plaster column delaminate. The symptoms that we found are exposed concrete can be seen, uneven surface. Possible cause of this is exposed to the external weather and also wear and tear. Prognosis of this will be column may become structurally weak, column will become scaling, water will get in, moisture will weaken the column surface and encourage mold growth, damp and rot. Remedial work are lint the concrete surface to roughly to remove dust and contaminant. Use polymer modified cementitious repair mortar suitable for vertical application and apply it in layers if needed to rebuild the original profile of the column. Cure at the repair area properly for 3 until 7 days using. Once cure, apply new plaster over the repair area and finish it with alkali resistant paint or water repellent coating to protect against future moisture ingress. Next is building services. The defect that I found at College Indra Sakti, Block Angsana, Wing B, Level 1. The element is pipe. The condition of this defect is 3, which is urgent. The priority also 3, urgent. Matrix 9. The color is yellow, fair. Defect description. Faucet cannot fully stop the water flow. The symptom is water keeps on flowing. The faucet cannot stop the water flow. Possible cause is wear and tear. Prognosis is wastage hazard, slipping hazard, and also growth, mold and bacteria. Remedial work. Turn off the water supply first and then remove the faucet using a wrench. Install a new one using plumber's tape on the thread. The next defect were found at Annex 3 Level 1. The component is socket. The condition is 2, which is routine. Priority is 1, which is normal. Matrix is 2. Color is green, which is good. Defect description. Plug is not functioning. Symptom is it cannot be used. Possible cause loose or disconnecting wiring. Prognosis is no power is reaching the socket at all. Remedial work. Test another appliance to rule out device specific issue. Go to the consumer unit and check if a breaker has tripped. Replace if there is physical or burn damage. Next is site condition. This defect were found in College Indra Sakti, Block Angsana, Wing A, ground floor. The element is walkway. Condition of this defect is 3, urgent. The priority also 3, urgent. The metric is 9. Color is yellow, which is fair. Defect description is the root intrusion on walkway. Symptom is uneven surface, cracking on cement render, plant and grass growth, tree root growth. Possible cause is growing tree roots. The prognosis are tripping hazard. The walkway cannot be used anymore. Remedial work. Carefully remove the display stone to expose the extent of root intrusion. Cut the tree safely, especially if near building or power line. Grind or remove the stump completely. Excavate and remove the main root system in the affected area. Refill and compact the soil after removing roots. Reinstall paving stone and edging, keeping them aligned and level. And the last defect were at Dewan Serbaguna. The element is the refusal disposal. The condition is 3, which is urgent. The priority is 2, which is a routine. Matrix is 6. Color is yellow, which is fair. Defect description: overfilled waste. Symptoms are the bins are overstuffed and messy appearance. Possible cause of these are waste is not being collected regularly enough, leading to overflow, insufficient bin capacity, improper use by public, poor placement of bin, lack of monitoring and maintenance. The prognosis are continued overflow and mess, may attract pests and create bad odor, public complaint and reputation damage. The cage will continue to rust and deteriorate. Remedial work: remove all overflowing waste, including items on the roof and outside the bin. Adjust the waste management schedule to collect recyclable more frequently. Remove rust from the metal parts and apply an anti-rust coating or repaint. Extend or redesign the roof to cover the entire bin and prevent water damage to recyclable. And lastly, assign a staff member or volunteer to monitor and report misuse or overflow. Okay, so that's all from me. Bye!